Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make the order detail page. Before making that, make sure you rename the app.order.jsx file to app.order_index.js, and on the view button I have a link. This link is imported from a Remix run React. So link and it will go to the app/order/order number, and we are going to remove this string from the order number, and then when you click on the button it will take you that specific order. So for that we need to create a new file and name it app.orders.$order id.in.jsx. Okay, now we need to import some components. I'm going to copy and paste. We have user loader data, JSON, authenticate, page and layout, and frame from the Shopify Polaris, and then we will create the loader function. So let me just copy and paste the loader function, and I will explain you this loader function. In this we have a request and prompts. In the prompts we will get the order ID, prompts.order ID, whatever the name after the $, that we will get on the prompts. So that will be order ID in the prompts.order ID, and with the help of this order ID we can get the specific order, and we make the GraphQL query and we pass this order ID, and we will get the ID, name, email and all these properties from the order, and once we get the response we will return that response. And next we will have the main component, and in this component we have a variable use loader data, and this is the data we are getting on the front end, and then we will get the order from the data, and the customer is equal to order.customer. Then we are going to make the rows of the line items, and from the line item we will get the item title, quantity and the price, and in the return function we have frame, page, layout, and in the first card we have order name, and then order email created at when the order was created, and the total price status, and in the next card we have the customer information, and in the table we have all the line items. So let's save that and click on custom app, and then go to orders, and if you click on the view, and now you can see we have order number and detail about the order, detail about the customer and the line items. Similarly, if you go back and click on any other order, you will get the information about that order. So this is how you can make the order detail page in the Shopify Remix app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.